Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we've got something special in store for you, the ultimate combination for high-performance gaming and content creation. We're talking about the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X paired with a powerful RTX 3090. But before we dive into that, let's take a closer look at the heart of this system, the Ryzen 9 5950X CPU. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, with its 16 cores and 32 threads, is a game-changer for both gamers and creators. It's a processor that doesn't compromise, whether you're chasing high frame rates in the latest games or tackling resource-intensive tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. This CPU boasts an impressive 4.9 GHz max boost clock, and it's unlocked for overclocking enthusiasts who want to push it even further. With a generous 72 MB of cache and support for DDR3 memory, it's a powerhouse that won't leave you wanting for more. When paired with the RTX 3090, you can expect mind-blowing gaming performance and lightning-fast rendering times. But here's the catch. To get the most out of this incredible CPU-GPU combo, you need the right motherboard. And that's where our star of the show comes in. Introducing the best motherboard for Ryzen 9 5950X and RTX 3090 available in the market today. It's packed with features that will make your gaming and content creation experience truly exceptional. This motherboard supports PCIe 4.0, ensuring that your RTX 3090 graphics card can operate at its full potential, delivering stunning visuals and unrivaled performance. It also features a high-quality VRM setup, ensuring stability and efficient power delivery to your CPU, even during overclocking sessions. Offers a plethora of USB ports, including the latest USB-C connectivity, making it perfect for users who need fast data transfer speeds and a variety of peripherals. It's also equipped with a premium audio solution, ensuring that your gaming and content creation audio is top-notch. And let's not forget the aesthetics. This motherboard features customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to match it to your setup's theme and create a visually stunning PC. That truly complements the Ryzen 9 5950X and RTX 3090, making it the ideal choice for those who demand the best performance and features from their PC components. So, there you have it, folks. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X paired, match made in heaven for gamers and creators alike. If you're looking to build a high-end rig that can handle anything you throw at it, this combo is undoubtedly the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.